This is tiger nut cake, popularly known as Daƙuwa or Taya, one of the Hausa traditional food. It is prepared using dry small tiger nut and sugar. The process includes getting the dry tiger nut, washing it with water and leaving it to dry before frying it, then taking it for semi-grinding. After the grinding, the next stage is to mix it with sugar, then pound it until it becomes solid before cutting it into pieces for easy marketing or consumption.
Follow us at these platforms: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.